Namaste. Sure you're safe, empowered, protected. Welcome to Supermind Foundation. I am Amrish Shah, a brain plasticity practitioner and a well-being practitioner, which includes immunity, our immunity. Very important in the global pandemic and going ahead in times of the virus being all around us, in our environment, in our society. Neuroscience applied is all about neuroplasticity, resilience, immunity building, neural pathways, and much more. I am globally certified by Dr. Sarah McKay, who is a leading neuroscientist, a PhD from Oxford. I am also a member of the Society for Neuroscience, headquartered in Washington. The reason I'm sharing this is that whatever we apply for brain health, for well-being, we need to be aware that it is based on scientific evidence. Today I'm going to talk about a very powerful technique which I practice on my clients, patients, family, friends, and people of all ages, including children, senior citizens who are crossing their hundreds, or toddlers, newborn babies. This technique is called GB or BB, Absolute Neuroscience Applied Technique. GB stands for good for the brain, BB stands for bad for the brain. So every task we do in our lives, every action, every thought, every behavior, we need to constantly ask ourselves, is it good for my brain or is it bad for my brain? Ourself is that energy, that entity that controls our brain, that allows it to change in the plastic manner for the good or for the bad. Hence, GB or BB, good for the brain, bad for the brain. We have to constantly make a choice in our life for everything: family, relationship, business, health, wealth, longevity. The choice that we make, we need to simply first ask the simple question: is it GB or is it BB? Between an apple and a package bag of chips or a cola, I will choose an apple, good for my brain. Between a good thought and a bad thought, good thought, the pandemic is around us, but if we stay safe, we remain protected with science, with humanity, with the right human resources, with the right professionals and right knowledge. It's good for my brain. We will get out of this soon and we will thrive right now and henceforward. BB, bad for the brain. Oh, what will happen to my family? What will happen to my future health? What will happen to my grandfather? What will happen to my newborn baby? How will I survive? How will I economically resurrect myself? And all these anxiety-based, fear-based questions and repeatedly thinking and acting upon it. BB, bad for my brain. Anger, irritability, or calmness, positivity, constructivity, creativity. All of this, I repeat, all of the good for the brain activities result in good neural pathways and a healthy brain till we touch 100 or maybe more. Bad for the brain, every task, every thought, every behavior, every action that we take, which is bad for the brain. We don't question ourselves. And sometimes, even after questioning the brain or ourselves, we'll end up doing that again and again. And we'll end up having bad neural pathways, bad patterns of thoughts, bad patterns of behavior, bad patterns of health, BB. So, friends, family, please try and understand. Every time I need to ask myself, is it GB or BB? Good for the brain or bad for the brain? One simple question. For any further neuroscience applications, please write to me, email me at supermindworld@gmail.com. Supermindworld, one word, @gmail.com, or contact through my website www.supermind.world. I repeat, www.supermind.world. At Supermind, our mantra is your thoughts, your superpower. Stay protected, stay kind.